Alright, hi guys, this is the next one in your series for your DPL SketchUp task. So last time I was here, we'd done the foundations and we'd done the walls. We'd taken out for the main garage door, and we'd taken out for the window and door on the side. I'm not going to show you how to do the wall plates. We're going to be doing the roof trusses today. So what we're going to do is just going to pop these in. There we go. Oh, and on this one here, I'm just popping in. You'll notice there's a line there. Now, the reason for that is it's purely for when I want to pop it on for the demonstration. There's my 50mm. So we're going to be creating this truss today. So what I want to do is just want to pop this one just out the way so it's not obscuring anything. Right. So what I want to do first is get our span halfway. Now on this one, I'm just going to come up 1200. And if I was on my there we go. So you can see that vertical, I've kept to my blue axis. So what I want to do is I want to move this out of the way now. So if I press shift, and just highlight these, and what I do is just pop them out to one side. Right. What you have to be aware of when you're doing this is that you work into the right side of your lines, because what will happen otherwise, if you don't, your truss will end up short. So I'll show you that when we're coming to do it, so where you may have any problems. So what we're going to do first is we're going to use the offset. So I'm going to click inside the triangle, and we're going to go for 70mm. So that gives me a line there set up 70mm. Now that is not the top part of my truss. What we need to do on that to get that right side is we're just going to continue those across, and we're going to take out those lines. Then we're going to come there, click inside, and we're going to come to the outside. And then we gain the two there. Now that is the actual top sections of my truss. So what we're going to do now is we're going to extend these down. Now if you look, it says extend edge, and we're going to come down, say 300. Press escape, come back up, and if you notice, if I just slowly zoom in, I'm going to get parallel line. And also, if you can just make out, there's a green dotted line. Now that tells me parallel on. So we're just going to delete that there. And then what we're also going to do is, and from there, if you look, I can drag that across. There's my parallel line, and there's my pink line. And there we go. So what I'm going to do is click center, delete, and then we're going to say it's about 39mm, so we're going to go 39, 39. If you notice, this is just popped out, but all we need to do on there is just close that, and now we have our basic truss. So now, because we're doing a king post, what we want to do is we want to be on blue axis. If you notice, it closes off, but don't worry about that just now. What we're going to do again is we're going to use the offset, and we're going to come 35 because it's half our section, and we're going to come 35 that side. So what we can do there is we can delete this section, this section, this section, and we don't need that in the center anymore. Right, what we're creating is coming up off here, and we want to come to midpoint. So find midpoint, and what we're creating is isosceles triangles. So notice that we're equal across. Then what we can do again is use our offset tool. And it's only what we've done on the other section. We're just coming, make sure I'm on that line. Bring down 35. So now what we can do is we can just come in and we can quickly take out this line, this one, take the center, and we're just going to extend those across. Oh, see, that doesn't look like it's extended properly, so there we go. And just those couple up there. There we go. So what we can do is we can and there's our king post, but obviously we just need to pop those through. There's the offset limited. So then we just need to close these off here. Like that. From so we need to put some colour on there. And we're going to make that a component. And there's our roof truss. So what we're going to do is just bring that across. There we go, just sits in nicely. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to use the array tool. So select, move for our copy. What we'll do is just going to come to here, and you see we're on red axis, so not too low, sitting nicely on the wall plate or the pan, and we're going to go for 400 centres times, we'll get 6 in there, times 7, right, so we're a bit shy there. So what I'm going to do is I think we could probably go for about 425 millicentres. So again, control, up there. What I'm going to do, pop that on there, and I'm just going to bring it back 50, like that. Right, what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly show you how to do one of the wind bracings that need to go in. You can add the others. I don't need to put them all in for this video, it'll just make it too long. So what we need to do first actually is just measure. So we're going to come from here, make sure we're on, and 2976. So what I'm going to do is 2976, comma, and we want to be 100 millimeters wide, and we're there. Then for our wind bracing, we want to be 25 millimeters thick. So there's just our one bracing. So make it a component. So I'm just going to put one on for now, just to show you how it goes into position. Obviously, again, you're going to have to just add some colour on there. And that's as simple as it is. And we just need to rotate on the others. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to build up this gable wall here. It's easier to do once in the drawing. It's easier to do after once the trusses are in. You've got guidelines that you can come to. So that's your roof trusses. If you have any difficulty with those, don't forget you can email across to myself. So as I say, you can just access your Moodle Pages forum on there. If you're stuck with anything, ask the question on the forum. I'll be on there, so will your classmates. So the other learners accessing, if they've completed it and they can see where you're going wrong, they can help you on that area. And what we're doing is making a lot of use of guidelines. to make the transition for the gable wall, and that will be in the next video.